course there's a ton of stuff, and it's wet. Good morning, Frugal friends. It is rainy, there's thunder, there's been lightning. We are gonna be super careful and super quick and just do what we can do. Burlington bin, nothing but cardboard. And do you know, I am absolutely okay with that. There's a bin over there I want to check. I don't know if we got a spirit store over here, the Halloween store pop up. I know this is where it was last year, so we'll check. But isn't that gorgeous? Fall is here, Frugal friends. Fall is here. So we drove around and it is a pop-up spirit store. Nothing. This sucks. They have all this cardboard out here. Ooh, there's some lightning. And I really need some boxes, but these are all soaking wet. And nothing in there. I think whoever it was that said they probably just pile up all their garbage in the store until, ooh, there comes the thunder, until after they're all done. Yeah, I think you were right, because what a mess. So maybe they're not regularly bringing out the garbage. I don't know. Just dumping it all out here. But you know, I have to look. Have to at least check. Dang it, this sucks about the boxes because I really need some boxes. We've been doing all the bulk pattern lots, auction lots, and I need to get them sent out. Bummer, but it's raining, and the thunder, the lightning. Let's get back in the car. Well, it's still sprinkling, but you know us, we just gotta keep going. This is a party store bin, and I do not see anything for us in here, but we will check the cardboard bin. Huh, okie dokie. Well, let's just keep going then. This is the Michael's bin. There's a broken Halloween cup over there. Bummer. And then it looks like just like air filter things and glass. We'll keep going. Hello, dollar store. Nothing. That's okay. What about in the neighbor's bin? We often find treasures in here. Looks to me like illegal dumping. Just a bunch of stuff, you know, crap from home, concrete. There are lots of things you can do, Frugal friends, with concrete. But your broken up pieces. I have seen some of the most beautiful rock fences made with broken concrete and other kinds of things, not just fences. I'll post a couple of pictures right here to give you some ideas so that when that time comes that you find a bunch of concrete or you've broken up a bunch of concrete, you'll have some ideas other than just dumping it in the trash. It is totally raining now, but we're all the way up here. We have to at least look. This is a CVS pharmacy. Right away, there's a keychain. Needs to dry out, poor thing. Oh man, and of course there's a ton of stuff, and it's wet. We have to grab it. I mean, come on, there's like glucerna and all this stuff. Yeah, we have to. Oh, this is going to be interesting. All right, I'm going to need your help. We're going to have to work fast. Now, where are we going to put all of it? That's the question. Guess we'll just pile it all onto here and into here. Got makeup. handy. And I will try to be quiet because this one is already open for business. And these boxes are all wet. Here, Lou, I need you to stand right here so I can hand stuff to you. Heavy stuff. We're just gonna be grabbing this stuff, guys, and then we will show you what all we ended up with. Try to be quiet, but the blasted door is really noisy. Let's see if we can get this whole box. Oh, I want this too. Hurry with that one and then come back real quick. In the middle section again. Mickey Mouse or Minnie Mouse. Oh, her hands are broken off. Thank you. Oh, look at all that. Holy cow. Yes, we will do a full reveal of all of it. So stay tuned for that. But can you believe all this Glucerna and Boost? It is insane. It is, well, it's wonderful. Okay. There we go. Thank you, Lulu. Van's just about full. Many of you know Sunday morning. And so, because we do all of it in one morning, Sunday mornings, the van does get quite full. And our full retail diving route is about 90 miles round trip. So we don't run back home and drop stuff off. We just can't. It's not realistic and not feasible. So the van is already quite full, which is fantastic. I'm super happy. Everything's like slipping and sliding everywhere. I did not bring enough totes. I only brought like 2, I think, maybe 3. So that sucks. But it's because I'm working on sorting the attic and getting it decluttered and organized again. And so I've needed some of the totes up there for what I'm doing. But I will get that done this week, especially where it has cooled down and I can stand to work in the attic for a good amount of time. So we'll get that done and we'll have our totes ready to go for next week. But we're gonna go ahead and hit a couple more places, rain or no rain, especially because we've been doing so awesome so far. It just seems silly, where we're already all the way up here, it's just silly to not at least stop and check at these other bins, and hopefully the rain will let up a little bit for us. Hello, CVS. This is the one that has never once let us down. Let's see if on this rainy Sunday morning our luck continues. Oh, boxes, and I need boxes. And their lids were closed. Now, some of them are wet, but I am sure we will get what we need. All right, I'm going to get Olivia to bring boxes really quick to the van so they don't get wet. And I'll get the stepladder and the rake. And we'll just see what we can do. This is our last stop of this Sunday morning. Lulu, I'm gonna need you, please. There's some boxes in here that are not soaked. So I'm gonna have you run them here to the car and put them deep inside the van so they don't get wet. Oh, I'm so happy. See, even if it is just some dry boxes, yeah, they will have provided for us yet again in this bin that never lets us down. Hurry, Lulu. All right. I'm just going to grab a couple of these and then you just run them to the van before they can get terribly wet. And hopefully at least one of them will work for what I need it. Here, run, for what I need it for. That's a good one. When she gets back, I'll have her take that other one. While I'm waiting, we will dig a little bit. Oh, there's some stuff in this one. Definitely. So we'll just take the whole bag out and look through it. Look, here are a couple of boxes. Run like the wind. Thank you. seeing anything else, my friends. That's all restock stuff. That's all empty bottles. Got some birds out there saying hello. Come on. All right, let's try the other side, and then we'll look in this bag also. Yes, I know it's loud. We are loud, but this one is not yet open for business like that other one that we go to where we have to be so quiet. These are great boxes if you wanted to make a, oh, what do you call it? Words, I need words. A casket. And that's just, yeah. All just nasty, but guys, that's okay. Like I said, even if all we get is the boxes, I'm happy. But I know there's a couple of things in this bag, so I'm gonna go ahead and close one of the lids. That way, if anyone else happens by any chance to be looking for boxes, they'll have a better chance of finding some that aren't ruined. Lulu, will you take the step ladder, please? Oh, shove those boxes all the way in, please, so they don't get wet. All right, there's something. Let's see. Oh, these are fantastic. Oh my gosh. Have a spooky day. So he's broken. He's a light up. We can E6000 him and put him back together, or we can craft something else onto him. We've got a fun little spooky dog saying eek. Yeah, that'll take 2 seconds to fix. It's just a matter of getting our pliers and connecting those chains back. So no biggie there. And this is the stand for this guy. Yeah, look how freaking cute he is. He is adorable. We will absolutely fix that. I don't think there's anything else in here worth our time. Yeah, I don't see anything. But that is okay. We got our boxes. We got some Halloween goodies. Lulu, will you come grab these treasures, please? And we got so much other stuff. It is fantastic. I am a super happy camper. Thank you for coming along on this crazy rainy Sunday morning. Frugal friends, you are wonderful. A huge shout out and special thanks to our Patreon patrons, whether former, current, or future. Our Patreon link is in the video description. You make this possible. Those monthly donations, whether it's just $1 or more, whatever it is, it goes directly into the Frugal Family gas tank so that we can keep on keeping on. Rain, snow, sleet, hail, or sun, we're out here doing this, and it is so much fun. I just love it. I just love that we get to do this. Thank you for making it possible. Those who watch, like, share, comment, and support us that way, oh, we appreciate you. Our channel is growing in leaps and bounds. The word is spreading. More people are getting out there and getting in the bins or doing whatever they can. If it's not dumpster diving, many other things to make a difference, to try to have a positive impact on our current society and future generations. Together, we can make all of this better. I don't know that we'll save the world, but maybe we'll make it last a little better, a little longer. Have a great day. We'll see you all real soon.